So this problem is moon umbrellas. So you can see here, this image contains moons and umbrellas. Moon represents C and umbrellas represents J. So for if it encounters CJ, then Kodijamal has to pay X, and if it encounters JC, then the Kodijamal has to pay Y. So we are going to look at the test cases here. So let's take test case C question mark J. So let's take the test case C question mark J. We're going to perform iteration from I equals 0 till the length of the string. We're going to select the first two characters here because I equals 0. So because we are taking characters from I and I plus 1. So the characters here, we're going to check whether any of the characters are going to have contain a question mark, and one of them is going to be a character without any question mark. So here, if we have a question mark, we're going to replace the question mark with the character which is left with a question mark. So here, question mark is going to replace with C. So the updated string is CJ. So the next iteration is I equals 1. So the characters are C and J. So both of them are not having any question mark. So the string is going to be remain as it is, which is CCJ. Now we're going to calculate the cost, which is X for CJ and cost Y for JC. The same iteration is going to be performed, but here we are going to check whether the substring which from I and I and I plus 1 is equal to CJ or JC. So here the I equals 1, the two characters here are C and J. Yes, it has CJ, which is cost X, and then we are going to add it to total cost. Now let's take into the algorithm. So we are going to take the input number of test cases, and the each test case is going to be of this format, which is X, Y, and the string. So X is the cost of CJ, Y is the cost of JC, and the mural is going to be the string. We are going to convert this string into list, and then we are going to append it to mural array. So here we are going to pass this, we are going to iterate to the mural array, C question mark J, and here at P equals 0, C question mark is the two adjacent characters. Yes, we found a question mark, so we are going to pass the mural string to this solve function, and if it contains whatever contains to the left of question mark, that's going to be replaced. So here C is contained on the left side of the question mark, so it's going to be CCJ. And the next is P equals 1, which has CJ. So both of them are not having question mark, so we are going to stop the iteration because we designed the string. Now we are going to calculate the cost of CCJ. So we are going to do the same thing, but now we are going to take the substring from n to n plus 2, which is CC. CC is not having any CJ or JC, so we are going to go to the next step, which is n equals 1, and the next two characters are C and J. Yes, it has CJ, that the cost is going to be, we are going to add X to the cost, so the cost is 2 and total cost is going to be 2, and we return the string, and this completes the solution to the problem.